They say time flies, but have you ever seen a painting fly? Well, today I'm gonna paint a fly painting in under 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and recopy this painting under 5 minutes and a blank start. Let's start.
1, 2, and go. One minute.
1 minute.
Two minutes.
2 minutes, huh?
You're at 3 minutes. Four minutes.
Now this is the final project that I did in under 5 minutes. No, actually it's more like this one. Do you guys see a difference or is it the same? Make sure to leave a comment down below, and if you liked it that I did it under 5 minutes, make sure to leave, if it was a high five, but it's a like button, make sure to hit the like button down below. It's like a high five. 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.
And cut. He said 5 minutes and high five. Like, who's gonna get that? Who's writing this?